This is Gordon Day, and thanks for stopping by my video blog today. We are in Nature Trail looking at new homes. It's a great looking house, inside and out. You have a sprinkler system. Very nice windows. Front door. Nice little covered porch area in the front. Come in. They have wood floors. Right now they're covered so that they're not scratched during the construction process. They have nice high ceilings. In the dining room, on the right as you walk in. Kitchen is right through the dining room. It's a wide open kitchen, upgraded appliances. Looks like they're gonna be the Kenmore Elite package. Eyeball lights in the kitchen. Big island bar. You have another little cabinets over there. Pretty good size walk-in pantry. Right there. It is open to a very large family room, great room. Nice built-in bookcase. Cabinets over there. You can see the attention to detail. A lot of windows, so you have that light, bright, airy feeling. And in the backyard is really another very nice feature. You have your own covered, very extra large covered porch with a fireplace, gas fireplace outside. The yard is a little bigger than most backyards in Nature Trail, which is nice. And come back in. Again, you have very high ceilings, great kitchen, big kitchen. Over to the right, you have a laundry room, utility room. Nice size second and third bedrooms with a bathroom. There's no power, but those are granite countertops with tile floors. Okay. This is all wood floor in the great room and in the kitchen. All right, let's take a quick peek over at the master side. This is actually a fourth bedroom. This is actually, it would be perfect for a mother-in-law, father-in-law suite. You can see nice windows, very open. The closet, looks almost like a master bedroom, but it's actually built more for a teenager or, a guest. All right, let's go on back and around the corner. We will see the actual master. Again, nice high ceilings. Very nice bathroom, tile floors, double sinks. You have a nice oval bathtub with a tile shower. Very big walk-in closet in the master. This is it. I think it's a wonderful house. As you come out, again, from your master, you're going to be right into the great room. It's light and bright, no power here. It is a little dark, but in the video, but promise you, this is a nice home. A lot of great features in it. Thanks for stopping by my video. Feel free to give me a call, get more information about this home or other homes in Nature Trail. My number's direct 850-748-0575, or just go to the website www.PensacolaRealEstateData.com.